Example 1. State the sign of work done by a force in the following cases. Option A. Work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of a well by means of rope tied to the bucket. So here, for the option A, so the bucket was pulled up, so the force is in the upward direction. Even the displacement is also in the upward direction, therefore work done is equal to Fs cos theta, where theta is 0 degrees because force and displacement are acting in the same direction, therefore work is positive. So for the option B, work done by gravitational force in the above case. In the same case, gravity always acts downward direction, that is mg. So gravitational force is acting downward direction, but the bucket is moving upward direction. Therefore, the theta is 180. So work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Here cos theta is cos 180, which is minus 1. So negative work done. Option C. Work done by an applied force on a body moving on a rough horizontal plane with uniform velocity. So for option C, so there was a body of mass m which is placed on a rough horizontal plane. Now we are applying a force F, and therefore because of it start moving with uniform velocity. That means an equal amount of friction is also applied in the backward direction, but we are talking about our applied force. So our applied force is making the body to move along the horizontal direction about a distance s. So what happens here, force and displacement are in the same direction, therefore work done in this case will be Fs cos theta. Here theta is 0 degrees, that means work is positive. Option D. Work done by the resistive force of air on vibrating pendulum to bring it to rest. So there is a pendulum which oscillates to and fro, and if we leave like this, obviously the pendulum bob will come to rest. It will go like this and again it will come back. Finally, so oscillates and finally it stops. Why? Because the air is applying a resistive force against to the motion of the body. That means when the body is coming downward direction, so frictional force, air resistance force will act opposite direction to its motion. Therefore displacement is in this direction. So what happens? So force and displacements are again opposite direction. So work done will be negative. So resistive forces like friction, like air resistance, these things always do negative work.